So I can't believe it's already that time of the year for me. I am going to be celebrating my 7-year lock update next month. Technically for this video, I'm celebrating it a month early.
Okay guys, wait, pause, guys. This video was recorded in October of 2021 and we are now in June of 2022. So I'm actually 7 years and 6 months into a lock game at this current point in time. But yeah, I just wanted to put up that disclaimer because I'm sure you guys are all a little confused, but yeah.
I don't really think that there's going to be much of a change from my hair and how it looks now. I have not retwisted my hair in its entirety since I completed my 2-strand twist back in December of 2020. And then after I did that, I've just literally been retwisting these groups of locks if I have an event to go to, and then I just leave the back of my hair as is. So I have a ton of new growth and I'm excited to retwist my hair, but not excited with how long it's going to take. I'm going to be freshening up my hair by dyeing it, doing a deep wash with some Selsun Blue only on my scalp. I'll wash out the dye, and then once I'm done washing out the dye, I'll do a hot oil treatment, and then finally I'll start retwisting my hair. But before I get into that, I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like. This is what my hair looks like when it's just not really retwisted. It's dry. So we're about back to chest length again. But definitely from the back of my hair is when I'm able to really see the true length of my hair. Okay, so I'm back. And hold the hair like this is funny.
Many unbearable hours later.
Okay, so it's 9:21 and I think I started around like 4:45. Good morning, y'all. It is really early in the morning. It's 7:30. Very dry, which is good because before it wasn't. I'm satisfied with how my hair looks. So I'm gonna come back later today and answer some frequently asked questions about my locks. I can't believe I've made it to year 7. Definitely in the beginning of this journey, it wasn't easy. My hair shrank a ton. As you can tell, my hair has lost its color significantly. And I also feel like my locks aren't that big. They're kind of thin in my opinion. I don't think they're gonna mature to be any thicker than this. I think this is it. I have about 129 locks, so I guess it makes sense for them to be like this size. Or maybe that's just the way my hair is, but they look kind of thin in my opinion. I know I'm gonna probably have to combine some of them, like these two maybe, because this one in my opinion looks especially small. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to combine some of them. And I had a hard time just accepting myself during this point in time in my life, mainly because I really wasn't feeling my hair. I was a college freshman. There was a lot going on at that time. But the time has passed, and next month I will officially make 7 years in the lock game. These are what my locks look like after the trim that I did, and here is my hair fully retwisted. I feel like the parts, honey. Yeah, I'm just gonna get into it, answer a few frequently asked questions, and give you guys a quick update. Honestly, there is no set schedule as to how often I retwist. I only retwist my hair, and I think it's safe to say maybe twice a year. Like I mentioned, the last time I fully retwisted my hair was in December of 2020. I fully retwisted my hair for October, and if I'm being honest with you, I don't think I'm gonna fully retwist my hair for the end of the year. I'm really big on just retwisting the perimeter of my locks, mainly because it saves me so much time, so much effort. There is one con that I would say to doing this. I really have to make sure that I am locksmithing my locks and making sure that I'm taking the extra hair. Like, you can even see it here. Like, my root is right here, and the extra hair is like here, like that is the distance between it. I have tried to wrap the little extra hair around my locks. So I also think that because of that, when I am retwisting, I want to make sure that I'm really careful and that I'm trying to keep my parts as neat as possible. I'm a big fan of having the neat parts. So I used a rat tail tooth comb this time around and really made sure that I took the end of the comb and just went along the parting for each of my lock boxes individually to make sure that I'm able to just grab those hairs and retwist it within the root. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really itching to bleach my roots. Like, I really miss that red look that I was having. And even if I don't bleach my roots, I'm very interested at least like bleaching like this part of my hair. I really miss that, bam, that red. But then I realized it might look a little silly if I do bleach my roots because I don't retwist my hair often, so I just think the color coming directly from my scalp might look odd. My roots are really outgrown, so I feel like when I do just leave my hair as is, maybe it's even safe to say that I semi-freeform. When I just leave it as is, my roots are puffy, but it looks fine because black is the natural hair color that I was born with. So I think that if I had puffy red roots, it just would just look weird, and that's just my personal opinion. I don't think I'd like it. So my hair is down now, and I'll show you guys basically how much new growth that I have from when I last bleached my hair. Here's the starting of the color of my lock, and this entire thing is black. In terms of the hair color, this is what my hair looks like up close. They were simply uneven, and I think that me trimming my locks gives them more of a healthier appearance and a healthier look. That's really the reason why I cut my hair. They just needed a trim, and I think they look better this way. I definitely think now that they have really matured, I think my locks are really small. So there's definitely like the ones in the front. I would say this is a medium-sized lock. But the locks like on the perimeter of my head, they're on the skinnier side. Someone commented before and they said, well, that's because that's the perimeter of your head. And I was like, okay, I guess that makes sense. And maybe some people are just born with really thick hair on the perimeter. I definitely think the lady who did my hair, the loctician, I think she just didn't think that the locks would turn out that thin. But then also, who's to blame? I told her I wanted something in the middle, and I think that's what I got. I didn't want something super big because I figured if I got them really big, I wouldn't be able to go back. but if I get them small, I can combine them, and I have been combining some of my locks. Not a lot though, it's a very slow process for me. I do 2 double-headed dragons, and I let my locks combine by me just retwisting my hair. This is the latest dragon that I have. This is the original one. This is the original one, which was started years ago. Basically, all of this new growth. There are 2 products that I really stand by, and that is the Super Grow Gel. I have not used any other type of gel in my hair. Products that I think I'm going to commit to for a while. I've been using Selsum Blue. I use the Daily Care one, and I try to put that directly on my scalp. I'm so satisfied about the length. I say this every year, but if I were to cut my locks dramatically, I would go for like around this area, just to spice it up a bit. I'm very happy with my journey. The regrets that I do have, they're not that big of a deal. You know, no one's perfect about themselves, but yeah, I absolutely adore my locks, and I don't see myself getting rid of them anytime soon. And that's pretty much this video. Just a quick update about my hair and how far I've gotten within the lock journey. Super excited to be hitting year 7. I can't believe it's been 7 years. It's kind of shocking, and just thinking about me starting my locks my freshman year of college and how that time has passed, and so many things have changed within that time point. So it is indeed pretty sentimental, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.